Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rusnilawati. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, from Department of Elementary Teacher Training Program. So, I will explain about my article. The title of my article is How to Apply Flipped Learning Model with STEM Approach Assisted by Open Learning System for 21st Century Learning. This article is written by Rusnilawati, Dr. Siti Rahimah Ali, and Dr. Mazharul Hasan from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, also Prof. Sutama from UMS, and Fareski Rahman. Flipped learning model with STEM approach assisted by open learning system is learning use STEM approach and combine with open learning, also flipped learning model. The view of open learning is like this picture. We can access it anywhere, anytime, and anywhere and anytime. The background of the research is the rapid development of science and technology. We need adapting themselves to keep up with the change that occur and solve the problems. The development of science and technology lead to digital social network and the use of gadgets. The use of technology learning can make learning can be carried out more interactively and attractively. Students can broaden their horizons anywhere and anytime with the help of internet networks and gadgets. Developing students' skills in the 21st century need to combine science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. After COVID-19 pandemic, online learning in Indonesia has been further enhanced. Following the COVID-19, university need to work hard in setting learning strategies, improving the quality of learning that is carried out in a hybrid or blended learning with various e-learning platforms. Mathematics in 21st century should apply STEM approach, also flipped learning model. So this research analyze about how to apply flipped learning model with STEM approach assisted by open learning system. Problem of study of this research is online learning in Indonesia has been further enhanced following the COVID-19 pandemic. The e-learning system in Indonesia has not been appropriately implemented due to various obstacles, especially the ability to develop web systems that have not been maximized. This is the evaluation of the learning process. So based on the data, the learning model using learning model still has low level, the lowest level in if it compare with others. The challenge faced with apply the STEM approach is that it requires many resources, media, and more time to collaborate in designing classroom learning. This is state of the art. The STEM approach is a perfect match between problems that occur in the real world and problem-based learning. Flipped learning provides more time for students and teachers to engage in individual learning and small group. The gap of study is the STEM approach application has not maximized research and digital media yet. There is no application of the STEM approach using the open learning platform yet. Flipped learning is implemented using a learning video uploaded on YouTube. Flipped learning has not yet used an e-learning platform such as open learning. So this research can give contribution, help lecturers increase students' involvement in a discussion and establish knowledge independently. Research objective is to describe how to apply flipped learning model with STEM approach assisted by open learning system for 21st century learning. This is a literature research. So based on literature from is about 80 articles. The researcher gets that flipped learning model is an instructional model in which students learn basic subject matter knowledge before in-class meetings, then come to the classroom for active learning experience. The fundamental subject matter is delivered through instructional videos and accessed by students through online classes. FLM is a form of blended learning. There are some of principles from flipped learning model, and the flipped learning model are divided into 3 stages, namely before class, inside class, and after class. The previous studies shows that flipped learning model, teacher can facilitate peer interaction using peer-assisted learning model and discuss problem worthy of deep investigation. This is a proposed model for applying flipped classroom approach to the current study based on research from Al-Masari and Al-Hujailan to 2019. And about STEM approach, STEM approach is integrated learning or transdisciplinary that combines the concepts of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through activities, solving problems in the real world, creating products, project-based inquiry, engineering thinking, engineering design, or practices of engineering as means to develop technology by applying mathematics and science and using considerations of other disciplines. There are some of principles in apply STEM approach. From previous study, there is an emphasis of further advancing STEM education and the need to create today's STEM educational opportunities among young learners that will help grow the skilled STEM workforce of tomorrow. This is step of flipped learning model with STEM approach. There is three steps. First is before class, first class, and this stage helped by open learning system. So first, student must download worksheet and learning material in open learning system, and then watching a video and narrated PowerPoint, and then make content note and upload the content note in open learning. If student can understand the problem, they can make group discussion, and if any question, if there are no any question, students can try to finish online quiz problem solving, and also make group discussion. And in the inside classroom, it can teacher can use on like Zoom or face-to-face learning. So inside classroom can be applied with synchronous or with synchronous with luring, with face-to-face, or synchronous like use Zoom or Google Meet. And the activity before class is asynchronous process. Students and teacher can interact with each other, use open learning system. And teacher need to combine the materials between mathematics, science, technology, and engineering. So there are some of kind of STEM for this research. The design is more concern in mathematics and science, but still also implement the technology and engineering. So the third stage is after class. So after class, a student must do assignment completed. If finished, they can improve digital literacy, and if student haven't finished, students can complete the assignment, and also the teacher available the project assignment. And the project is have to encourage students to high order thinking skill, and also solve the problems in daily life. This is a design of theoretical framework. This is the theoretical framework of flipped learning model with scientific approach. And there are 3 steps like this. And after class, we hope that the knowledge of students may can have more knowledge if it compare with before class. So always rise their knowledge. And this the learning process in learning FLMSA. This is the first stage. This is the second stage, and this is the third stage. Okay, that's all of my presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.